yes
Blackpink's debut in 2016 surpassed expectations from the start, as Jennie, Jisoo, Lisa, and Rosé made their mark on the charts and in the hearts of their fans. They are the first K-pop girl group to perform at Coachella and the most popular artists on YouTube with 83 million subscribers. Their long-awaited second album, Born Pink, sold 2 million pre-orders in 2022, and their Born Pink tour has already sold out stadiums around the world. Blackpink's dedicated fans are known as Blinks. The group stays connected directly to their fans through social media and offline events. Brands love Blackpink too. They are each ambassadors for high-end fashion houses and luxury jewelers. And they serve as United Nations Sustainable Development Goals advocates.
저희와 계속 함께 해주시겠어요?
It's clear that Blackpink is more than a K-pop group. They've become a global brand of their own. And in 2022, they are Time's Entertainer of the Year.
Smooth criminal, I'm bad and touchable. I've been feeling myself when you look at my way. But your queen checkmate for the win. Pull up on deck, Blackpink, write the check. No, one belongs to we. Lisa, 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 every time down here. Lisa, 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 go to the night, one hit. Lisa, 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 catch me if you can. Lisa, 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 Lisa. The
matter who you are, where you from, your skin color, your gender identity. Find your name and find your voice.
I was gonna have people going, did she write all her own songs? Talking about your personal life, talking about your dating life. There's a different vocabulary for men and women in the music industry, right?
Give me an example.
Okay, a man does something, it's strategic. A woman does the same thing, it's calculated. A man is allowed to react, a woman can only overreact.
And you've had these labels thrown at you.
Oh yeah, it goes on.
Hey boy. Make a missile like a missile. Every time I show up, blow up. Make a missile like a missile.
이렇게 더운데도 지수 언니 카트 위해서 열심히 해봤어요.
Lisa Blackpink.